Yes, come here.
Grandfather, can we take a pizza, please?
No. Waiter, waiter.
What do you want?
Rice with prawns, please.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yes.
And to drink?
I am bottle and waiter. A water, please.
Yes. Here you are.
What is this?
This is rice.
And this?
This is rice with prawns.
Okay, let me see. I don't like.
Don't do this.
Do you want to, what do you want for dessert?
Ice cream.
Nothing.
And do you want the beef?
No. We haven't money.
Don't
No!
fight.
Ah!
Oh no. I killed my grandchild.
Okay.